Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Mohammed Ali Al-Refaii, your guide to mastering ERP solutions. Here at UniFi Information Technology, we are committed to helping businesses transform with ERP technology. Today, let's talk about digital transformation in manufacturing and the role ERP plays in making it possible. Digital transformation means using technology to improve processes and stay agile. In manufacturing, ERP systems are at the heart of this transformation, integrating every part of production from supply chain management to quality control. ERP gives you a clear, real-time view of operation, allowing you to forecast demand, prevent stockouts, and streamline production. Imagine being able to track every component, predict maintenance needs, and make real-time adjustments. That's the power of ERP in manufacturing. By adopting ERP, manufacturers doesn't just keep up, they stay ahead, improve efficiency, reducing costs, and staying adaptable in a fast changing market. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Mohammed Ali Al-Refaii from UniFi Information Technology. To learn more about ERP solutions or how we can support your business, please visit our contact page at unifi-me.com/contact. Let's take your manufacturing to the next level. See you in my next episode.